So we have here the Zeus X atomizer ang tawag dito, boss, no? So it has, bali ito yung atomizer na pwede siyang lagyan ng juice and then ipak ka na lang ng ipak. So yan, this is it. Ganda ng design, no? And the logo itself, yung branding. May tools siya nakasama, and then may additional siyang glass just in case na mabasag tong isa. I brought this item dito sa Good Boys Vape Shop. They are located at Kapinpin Corner, MRS, Bangkal. So ito yung phone number nila. So kung taga Makati ka lang, pwede naman lalamog. And I hope isa na namang tech kaalaman ang inyo pong natutunan gamit ang video na ito. At kung mahilig ka sa how-to, tutorial, unboxing, cellphone application, and all about technology, kaibigan, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong tech videos na lalabas. So with that, maraming salamat po and peace out.